Right then guys, here we go with a stainless steel, brushed stainless steel oil cooler guard. Another thing from Hitchcock's, of course. I mean, the original one would have done the trick. I just like the look of this. It just brings the front end up bike out a little bit. Enfield precision, easiest pie to fit. You've got two little locating lugs at the top here, which it just hooks onto, and underneath here you've got a couple of little bolts which you just undo, and the original guard just comes off, and that's just a straightforward fit. No problem whatsoever, no problem at all. Easy as pie, 5 minutes tops. And it just gives you that little bit more protection, and it looks nice as well. And one other thing, I thought while I were ordering one, I may as well order the other as well. Got the brushed stainless steel chain guard. Now, the other one was just a cheap bits of flimsy plastic. If ever chain broke or anything like that, that'll give you no protection whatsoever. To just carve all back of your calf up. Hopefully with this little piece of aluminium or brushed stainless steel, whatever it is, it'll give you that little bit of protection. I'm not saying chain's gonna snap, but if it does, you'll be better off with something like that on rather than a little bit of cheap flimsy plastic. Alright, this something else from Hitchcock's, of course. This is actually stamped in, if you can see that. Lovely. It comes with a protective coating on and everything, and you're just going to clean it off with some wipes, something like that. Now, they are a bit of a fiddle to actually fit, to be fair. You've got two locating bolts down here. Comes with 3 new screws to actually locate and fit in, but the thing is, I lost 2 of them, because right down back in here, I don't know whether you can see, there's the first mounting screw right down back here. Pain in the arse to try and get it in, Allen key on, and into the actual frame at bike. Now what I found I could do to make it a little simpler for you and get it a little bit more light is if you take your actual side panel off, it gives you a little bit of light, so you may be able to see it. Once you wedge everything out of the way, but you've still got to attack it with the Allen key from this side. But at least you can get your fingers through there. Oh, there you go, you can see the little baby. Right there, most awkward position ever to try and get in. Lost two of the screw, and to claw where they've gone, every bike's got a black hole, and my tool ducts have found that black hole. I've shook bike about, I've pushed up and down drive with brakes and everything, and not managed to get it out. But it does look nice, but it is fiddly, that screw. It is fiddly, that screw. But I'm happy with it now. I've got it. I've got it located with 2 screws at the moment. This one here, I haven't managed to find one to actually fit it as yet. Like I say, I've lost the other 2. I've checked garage floor out and everywhere, can't find it. They've vanished. Black hole. Black hole. And that's about it, guys. There's my Stratus performance filter, which I won't gonna fit, but it sounds a lot better with it. I'll tell you that. Induction raw, yeah, like it. And this little finishing plate, caffeine racer. Now this guy, I got this off a link off Facebook. 3D printed piece of plastic. Some people have complained saying that the crack when they're actually tightening screws. Now they're always cracking because they're just winding one end in as far as it'll go and tighten it up, then go into the other screw. You just go gentle and take your time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just do it like that. No problem at all, and it's no cracks. It don't crack with vibrations. It's just people being hand-fisted. One other little thing that I have done, just to give it a little bit of fancy, is put a couple of holes into the side panel. Now, the only thing I've used with this, it's something I use for my model cars. It's a preening tool. The only thing is, you just put a couple of little pilot holes, and then you just turn this preener. I'll have to get it out and show you, and it just steady cuts all, rather than getting a drill and attacking it with a drill bit or all like that. I'm just doing it manually, and it's just gently peeled it out, and then I've just backed it with some a strip of fine wire mesh, which I just happen to have enough to be able to do it. And then I've just used a glue gun just to, I know it's a bodge, but it's a bodge on the inside and nobody else can see it, and there's only me who knows about it. Well, obviously all y'all know about it now, but and there you go, it just gives it a little bit of fancy, something different. Alright then guys, I'll love you and leave you. See you there.